Hello beautiful people, hope you're doing fine wherever you're watching from. This is a must-watch video for someone who's using WhatsApp. Did you know that using WhatsApp, you're able to hide and lock your WhatsApp chats? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the best ways on how to lock and hide your WhatsApp chats without anyone knowing. Whether you're trying to keep your personal life private or protect your sensitive business information, I'm going to get you covered. Let's begin. By opening the WhatsApp application, so I'm going to tap on it. It's going to open. So you select the number that you want to hide and lock. I'm going to select this. I tap on the name. Then still I tap on the name. So after, you have to scroll down and then I go where there is chat lock. So when I click on it, it's going to bring that message that keep the chat locked and hidden. So I'm going to click on it. Then here I have to put in my password. So I put in that pattern. So now they're showing me that the chat is locked. So that's how you're able to lock your chat. So when I try to go back and I close and I open the same WhatsApp, up here I'm going to have locked chats. So when I try to open the locked chats, it will ask for me the password. And once I put in the password, it's going to be able to log into the chat.